Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the repository visibility and your permission level. This affects who can use the link. Next, open the repo on GitHub and click the code button, then choose HTTPS or SSH. Pick HTTPS for general sharing and SSH for collaborators with keys. Once done, click the clipboard icon to copy the clone URL. If you need a file or line-specific link, decide now whether to share a branch link or a permanent commit permalink, so recipients get the right version. You now generate precise links inside the repo. Navigate to the file you want and click a line number to highlight a single line or shift-click to select a range. Then use the browser address bar or the Copy Permalink option from the File menu. Permalink points to a specific commit, while the raw link returns file content. Make sure to choose the branch selector appropriately. Share the branch for ongoing updates or the commit permalink when you need an immutable reference for reproducibility. Finish by sharing the URL in your chosen channel. For documentation, use Markdown like text, URL. If you need to share snippets independently, create a gist or publish pages for static sites. Once done, verify the link works in an incognito window to simulate external access. If recipients report a 404, check repository visibility, branch or commit existence, and whether a force push rewrote history. Make sure collaborators have access and regenerate a permalink after any destructive history changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.